Hey guys, welcome to Gen Technology. Today I'm going to teach you how to use carbon copy and blind carbon copy. So first click Compose and click CC and BCC. So carbon copy and blind carbon copy are both like this tool, but they're a little different. So they are both for multiple recipients, but yeah, both are a little different. So carbon copy is for a lot of participants, and all of the participants, the recipients can see all of the other addresses. So maybe you want to send it to a lot of friends, and maybe a friend can see all of the other friends' emails. So blind carbon copy is the opposite. So it is for multiple participants too, recipients too, but the recipients can't see the other addresses. So for example here, I found this website. So BCC stands for blind carbon copy, you know that already. And it's a good way to hide your other friends' email addresses from other recipients. And carbon copy is when you don't mind other people seeing your friends' email addresses. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.